We are in the topic of drugs and alcohol. Every exposure, early exposure to a home divided by drug use can cause a child to feel emotionally and physically neglected and unsafe. As a result, they can become more mentally and emotionally unstable. Children may develop extreme guilt and self-blame for a parent's substance abuse. They may develop feelings of unworthiness, develop dysfunctional attachment in their adulthood. In extreme cases, children can be removed from the home and placed in foster care. Parents, those who misuse drugs and alcohol, seek help, seek support, see your doctor. I wish you very well. Follow for more.